네, 여러분 안녕하세요. Welcome to our free Korean class. And this is Joshua, Koreano pong nagtuturo ng Korean sa Tagalog. So ngayong araw naman po ay pag-aaralan po natin kung ano naman po ang compound. If you remember, ano po yung pinag-aaralan po natin last time? Comment here in our comment section. 네, 자, we are in Hangul, and Hangul is the Korean character alphabet. At pinag-aralan po natin yung vowels and then yung consonant. Now today, we're going to study about compounds. Pagka sinabi po natin compounds, ano po ba ibig sabihin ng compounds? Alright? Dalawang consonant ay pinagsama. Yun po yung ibig sabihin ng compounds. Alright? So, kung natatanda nyo, meron po tayong mga O, A, O, yung mga ganitong mga vowels. Pagka kinombine po sila, yun yung ating compounds. And we have total of 11. Alright? Are you ready? So, let's start. First, we have 그리고 the other one is bakit parehas yung pronunciation? Yes, parehas lang po yung kanilang pronunciation because iba lang po yung spelling but the same sound value. So, paano po natin malalaman kung ito yun or ito yun? Hindi pa po natin siya malalaman pagka nasa pluralization na po tayo sa mga intermediate advanced. I'm going to teach you why. But for today, all you have to know is this is and this is 그리고 kung napapansin niyo itong at saka ito, parehas lang po sila. Nadagdagan ng isang line. Then every time there is another line, ito ay What about this? Ito at saka ito. Parehas lang. 네, 이것도 예입니다. So, we have two and two 다음. We have Etong combination po na to ay galing sa O plus Kaya naging Lahat po ng apat na yan is also from a combination of O plus I naging Ito rin, A plus I naging Ito rin, Yo plus I naging Ito rin, Ya plus I naging So, ang compounds are combination of two vowels. So, meron po tayong Next, we have another ito at saka ito Yes, different pronunciation. Different spelling only. O plus I magiging Ayos tayo? Another meron po tayo ulit. Ano po itong another po natin? Ito naman po ay, kanina, ito, 그리고 나서, ito naman. This is from O plus Kaya, naging Alright? Balik po tayo ulit sa mga compounds na pinag-aralan po natin. First, we have 그렇죠? 그리고 meron tayong 그리고 So, 7 na po ang naisulat po nating compounds and we still have 4. And that is O plus a. O a. magiging wa. Okay? 그리고 u plus e magiging wi. 와, 위. Okay? 자, 다음 u plus o magiging wo. 와, 위, wo. Okay? 자, ngayon we already have 10. What is the last one? Plus e is ay. So, yan po yung ating total na compounds. Very easy and simple. Okay? Look how we combine the two vowels. And yung sound value niya is, you can practice with me. Magbibigay po ako sa inyo ng isang answer sheet wherein you're going to write kung paano po natin na-combine itong mga compounds. Alright? Cha. Ye, ye. We. Wa, wi, wo. And the last one is ay. So, hanggang dito po, and kindly check our link para makita nyo po yung magiging activity and assignment po ninyo. And after, kindly comment here and share it with us. Kung nag-enjoy po kayo, kindly like and share. And of course, share na rin po natin sa ating mga chinko. 감사합니다.